Hi everybody, and today what I want to show you about is the file uploader. You will notice that there is a link to a help movie. This is going to be updated with this particular movie that's being watched. So what I want to do first is I want to talk about the file uploader and some of the new changes with it. Here is an item that has been uploaded. I'll start here by showing you that there's a file path. This is the complete path to the file, so that if you ever want to link it to any kind of document, you can always just copy that link and use it. Here, after you've uploaded the file, this is a hot link. This actually embedded has that link information in it, but it just gives you a short name. This is very important in the new system because with the new editor, I can actually upload these in a way, load these into the documentation directly without having to copy this and use the link. I can actually just copy this and move it over, and I'll show you that in a second. Key thing is I want you to notice something as I'm going to go and choose a file. Every one of these files that's on this desktop that you're looking at is actually okay to put up online. The problem is not every file is web-based. And there are a couple things that are really important in web-based files is that, one, that they're named properly. I usually like to say just use letters and numbers. You can use dashes and underscores and leave it at that, because any other type of comma or number sign or any type of character other than those which we just said could actually create that link to fail. And I can show you an example of that in another movie. But right now we're just going to go in here in progress and decide, hey, I want to upload a movie or I want to upload a file. And I'm going to, being Valentine's Day today, I'm going to upload this file xoxo.jpg, and I'm going to open it. The other thing that you want to notice is that JPEG files will open directly on the web. So will files PDFs. So it's recommended that everything you do is a JPEG and a PDF, because things like Word documents and PowerPoint presentations will download to the person's computer, which is okay, but not ideal. And in another movie, will show you how to save as PDF or print as PDF in PowerPoint and so forth using Adobe Acrobat Pro plugin installed. So what's happened here is the other thing is there are file types that do not work. When you're in Microsoft Office, they use a .message file. It's an MSG file. And you can actually save those MSG files and upload them. The problem is MSG can only be opened by Outlook. This is not Outlook. This is a web-based file that does not have Outlook plugins. Therefore, MSG files wouldn't show up. So please try to keep it as much as possible to the standard types of a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, a JPEG, and a PDF are still best. Okay, so I can then go ahead and upload, and you'll see that that file now has uploaded, and I've got the XOXO JPEG, and then I've got the link to it. What I'm going to do now is show you that I can actually copy this, and I'm going to use the copy, and I'm going to go over here to an item that I was opening up, and I'm going to actually go into this part right here and just hit paste. What you're going to notice is I get the little window and I can go ahead and paste that in. When I hit OK, you'll notice that it's already hot like a link. This is ideal. The reason is if I highlight this and I actually go to the link item, you will actually notice that the link is already here. Isn't that wonderful? So this is the best thing to bring these over into the description area. The other thing you're going to notice here is this area down here which says link target. I'm sorry, these will not work in here. I do not want to just paste this in here because this will not link. It doesn't have enough information in the target. So what I have to do if I want to put it here as a single link in the link target, I want to go back here, and I am going to take this entire link right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to the other window, and I'm going to come in here and paste. So now what you're going to see is those elements are in here. I'm going to go ahead and submit, and now I'm going to look at that, those items that I just added right here, and you'll notice this link is hot. Let's see it. There it is, XOXO. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And you'll notice that this one is linked exactly the same, and they both work. So this is the way that I recommend adding your links. This is the easiest way. So I hope that that works for you. And if you have any questions, I think you know how to contact me. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.